कुछ कह नहीं सकते कि हल्का बंदियों में कितना वक्त लगेगा, लेकिन यकीन है मुकर्ररा वक्त में हल्का बंदियां हो जाएंगी।
तहरीक इंसाफ भी दीगर जमातों की तरह इंतखाबात में हिस्सा ले सकती है। किसी भी जमात को आईनी अमल में शिरकत से नहीं रोका जा रहा।
That delimitation has to be done by the Election Commission of Pakistan. Of course, it has to be done. For how long does that exercise take? It is anybody's guess, but I am pretty much confident that it would be within the reasonable framework of time. Could be 1 month, 1.5 months, 45 days. I cannot be prescient about the time frame that it has to be exact in terms of hours and seconds. But yes, I do have a approximate sense, and I'm quite sure and comfortable that it would appear and it would